Georgia, southwestern Toliver County in east central Georgia, southwestern Oglethorpe County in northeastern Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Point, or near Greensboro, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Crawfordville, Union Point, Woodville, White Plains, Siloam, Maxey's, Stevens, Vesey, Robinson, Daniel Springs, Penfield, Lightville, and Alexander Stevens Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866. Or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.